Hi everyone, my name is Sunil, and today I am every inch away from all the hustle bustle. Today I am every inch away from all my problems. And today I am one of my go-to places, that is my village. Whenever I come here, I forget all my worries. It is because I always feel more special whenever I am here. Today the sun is shining, the wind is blowing, and I am happy with it. And you can see that the trail is running, the water is also going, and I am sitting in one of my fields. You should do this. You should come to a place where you feel a lot of happiness. And when you come to these places, I guess you feel rejuvenated. I guess you feel your life is full of beans. And we should do that. Sometimes we work very hard, but at the end of the day, we do not get the result. The problem is that whatever we decide, sometimes things do not happen according to us. You just need to have patience. Don't give up. Things will come like this, or situations will be there where you'll be fed up, you will be frustrated, you would reach a point where you would like to give up. Learn from there. Look at others. They also came to a point where they could give up, but they never give up. So you need to enjoy your life. This life is all about getting experiences. Sometimes you are going to get good experiences, sometimes you are going to have terrible experiences. I guess this life is just once, and you have to prove everyone wrong. You have to work your butt off. Leave no stone unturned and come to a place like this. When you come to a place like this, again I am saying this, you really forget all your worries. Sometimes we do this. I am here and I don't know how long I am going to be here. But as long as I am here, I am going to enjoy every bit of this weather. I am going to enjoy everything of this village. This village is so peaceful. Everything is authentic here. I guess you can come to your place, or if you don't have any villages, just let me know. I'll bring you with me. Thank you.